Geospatial Toolkit version 1.0, developed by Boleslaw Dworzak, is a comprehensive suite of calculators designed for various geospatial applications. The toolkit includes 10 specialized calculators, each serving a unique purpose in geographical analysis, navigation, and visualization. Bearing and Distance Calculator computes the direction, bearing, and distance between two geographical points. Useful for navigation, hiking, route planning, surveying, geospatial analysis, and emergency response coordination. Magnetic declination is calculated using US/UK World Magnetic Model Epoch 2025.0, main field declination, D, based on input parameters of latitude and longitude. It provides magnetic declination at given location and also the following options. Enter 1 to repeat declination calculation. Enter 2 to calculate magnetic north bearing. Enter 3 to calculate true north bearing. Enter 4 to exit. Coordinate converter transforms coordinates between different systems. Useful for mapping, GPS navigation, and location-based services. The Earth Curvature Calculator calculates Earth's curvature over a given distance. Important for long-distance visibility assessments and infrastructure planning. Distance to Horizon Calculator estimates how far one can see based on height above sea level. Valuable for coastal activities, maritime navigation, and scenic viewpoint planning. Tower Triangulation Calculator determines the location of the objects using GPS coordinates and bearings from two known reference points. Useful for surveying, navigation, mapping remote structures or landmarks, and even estimating a visibility distance in current weather conditions. Cartesian plane triangulation is used in this calculator and assumes a flat surface. This introduces errors as the size of the area increases. For small areas, up to 10 km radius, the curvature of the Earth introduces negligible distortion, sub-millimeter level, which is generally acceptable for construction projects. Beyond 10 km to 20 km, the curvature starts affecting accuracy with discrepancies growing to several centimeters, depending on the project's requirements. For areas larger than 20 km radius, the curvature error becomes significant and can exceed practical construction tolerances without applying corrections. Therefore, for most construction applications, a maximum radius of about 50 km represents a practical upper limit for Cartesian plane triangulation, balancing accuracy requirements with the simplicity of plane calculations. Elevation and Depression Angle Calculator computes angles to objects, above or below the horizon. Useful for astronomy, surveying, and artillery calculations. Height of the Tall Objects Calculator estimates the height of distant objects. Practical for construction and forestry surveys. Spotting Scope Field of View Calculator calculates the field of view for optical instruments. Essential for birdwatching, hunting, and astronomical observations. Distance on the Map Calculator quickly displays the distance, true bearing, area, elevation, total distance of the multi-marker route, allows to copy coordinates to the clipboard and save the path to the file. These tools collectively enhance our understanding and interaction with the physical world, from everyday navigation to specialized technical applications. The program is designed for simplicity and portability. Optimized for use in Windows 7 and later and runs in Command Prompt window. It is a CLI, Command Line Interface app, where you interact with computer by typing text in response to the command prompts. You can easily adjust font size in Command Prompt window for better visibility. Copyright 2024 Boleslaw Dworzak. All rights reserved. Licensed under the Creative Commons. Attribution, Non-Commercial, No Derivatives, 4.0 International License. This software is provided as is without any express or implied warranty. In no event shall the author be held liable for any damages arising from the use of this software. Attributions. Map data, C. OpenStreetMap contributors, available under the Open Database license. Magnetic declination is calculated using US/UK World Magnetic Model, EPOCH 2025.0. Main field declination, D, based on input parameters of latitude and longitude. Elevations. From Open Elevation, a free and open source elevation API. Link in the program. Geocoding. Powered by free, GeoApify, API, link in the program. Programming code. All programming code included in this application was designed by Boleslaw Dworzak. Free AI services were used to convert designers' ideas to the initial source code, which was gradually modified, updated, and debugged by AI, following designers' directives. Specifically, OpenAI ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, and Meta AI were used. We acknowledge the contributions of these AI models in the development process. We are committed to transparency and ethical use of AI technology, and we ensure that the source of AI-generated content is properly cited. This statement effectively communicates the source of the code, while adhering to transparency and attribution requirements. Minimum system requirement. Windows 7 SP1, version 6.1.7601. 0. Processor, dual-core processor with a speed of around 2.8 GHz. RAM, 3 GB.